how many cases do you have on record that a balikbayan box contained arms or drugs?
Sa intelligence group, we were able to apprehend so far, Your Honor, negative sa balikbayan box.
Okay. Where did the information that balikbayan boxes are being used for arms and drugs come from? You have already stated that no balikbayan boxes have been found to contain arms or drugs. So far, meron ba? Baka meron maraming nakalusot. Pero so far, wala naman kayo nahuhuli.
So far po, sa record namin wala. Kung balikbayan ang pag-uusapan.
Commissioner, what was the basis of your statement that balikbayan boxes are being used to smuggle arms and drugs? Unit used Honda motorcycle. 1 unit Harley Davidson motorcycle. 1 unit motorcycle. Hindi magkasya sa balikbayan box sa motorsiklo. What we are talking about is, why did you institute the new policy of wanting to open all the balikbayan boxes? At this point, since at least we have found already that the balikbayan boxes are not, in fact, being used to smuggle drugs and arms, or if so, it is a small fraction of the other drugs and arms that are being smuggled through packages, through containers, and other contraband. That isama na natin yung mga motorsiklo, yung mga, meron pa dito, jet ski. All that is left, I think, when are you going to apologize to our OFWs? When are you going to admit to your mistake? When are you going to realize that this is parang hindi na Pilipino ang galaw na ito eh. This is being unkind to the people that are keeping our economy alive. They remit 25 billion. That is already, there are fees taken from the $25 billion by the government. 0 balikbayan boxes have ever been found to contain arms or drugs. Feels arbitrary. And because of that arbitrary change in policy, I think what is in order is that the Bureau of Customs and you, Commissioner Lina, just issue an apology. Admit that you were wrong. Tell the OFWs, we care for you. We value you. We are not trying to harass you. We are not accusing you of being smugglers. We were trying to do our job, but we went down the wrong path. I am sorry. Madali lang naman yan eh. And I think it will be much appreciated by our OFWs.